Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
A picnic for Mom.
Who's ready for our Mother's Day picnic?
Asked Dad. We're ready, called Pedro, Isabella, and Maria. Everybody helped Dad pile the family's basketball, bikes, soccer ball, and cooler filled with food into the car. Once they arrived, Isabella chose the best picnic table. Everyone helped set out the food. When Pedro finished eating, he grabbed his basketball and cried, "I'm going to play." "I'm going to ride my bike," said Isabella as she hopped on her bike. "I'm going to play," cried Maria as she dribbled her soccer ball to the table.
Wait a minute,
called Dad.
it's Mother's Day and Mom wants to play tag.
The kids dropped everything and ran to Mom. "Happy Mother's Day," they said, giving her a big hug. "I'm it!" cried Mom. Everyone laughed and then started running.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.